how to log out of YouTube account on mobile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, go ahead and tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, you will be led to the settings page of YouTube, and now if you scroll through, you will not see the direct option for logging out of YouTube. So in order to log out, under the account tab, you will see the option for switch account. Tap on that and you will then see the option for use YouTube signed out at the bottom. So tap on the use YouTube signed out option, and in the interface that you will further be led to, you will be led to the signed out YouTube version on your mobile. So this was about how you can log out of YouTube account on mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.